Hey guys, you ever get to the airport excited for your trip and then bam hit with that long line at customs? Man, I feel that. But listen, there's a way to skip those lines and make your airport experience smooth like butter. It's called Global Entry, and trust me, it's a game changer. Let's get into it. Alright, so what exactly is Global Entry? Think of it like your VIP pass to breeze through U.S. Customs. It's a program run by U.S. Customs and Border Protection for pre-approved, low-risk travelers. Instead of waiting in those crazy long lines, you get to use a special kiosk. You just scan your passport, answer a few questions, and boom, you're through. No more filling out those little blue customs forms on the plane. And the best part? Global Entry also includes TSA PreCheck, speeding you through airport security too. Now, I know what you might be thinking. David, is Global Entry really worth it? Listen, I hear you. But let me tell you, the benefits of Global Entry are straight up undeniable. First off, those shorter lines I mentioned, those are a game changer, especially at busy airports. And then there's TSA PreCheck. You get to keep your shoes on, your laptop in your bag, and your liquids in your carry-on. No more scrambling to take everything out at security, you just glide right through. Okay, let's talk dollars and cents. The Global Entry application fee is $120, and that covers you for 5 years. Many travel credit cards will actually reimburse you for that Global Entry fee. So before you balk at the price, check your credit card benefits. Can you get Global Entry? Let's find out. Now, you might be wondering if you even qualify for Global Entry. The good news is that it's open to U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents. And even if you're not a U.S. citizen, citizens from a bunch of other countries might also be eligible. There's no age limit, so even your kids can get in on the action. Just keep in mind that if you're applying for a minor, you'll need to give your parental consent. So if you're a frequent traveler with a clean record, chances are you're good to go. Once you experience the joys of Global Entry, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. How to apply for Global Entry, a step-by-step guide. Head over to the Trusted Traveler Program website, that's ttp.dhs.gov. Create an account and follow the prompts to enter your information. Fill out the application with basic questions about yourself, your travel history, and any criminal records you might have. It's pretty straightforward. Acing your Global Entry interview. Tips and tricks. After you've submitted your application and paid your fee, the waiting game begins. If you're conditionally approved, schedule an interview at an enrollment center. Interview slots can fill up fast, so don't wait until the last minute to schedule yours. The interview is usually quick and painless. Just bring your valid passport, another form of ID, and any other required documents. Global Entry Renewal. Easy as pie. Global Entry is valid for 5 years, and then you'll need to renew it. You can apply for renewal up to a year before your current membership expires. If you apply before your expiration date, you get a 24-month grace period to keep using your Global Entry benefits. And that's everything you need to know about getting Global Entry. Now you can kiss those long airport lines goodbye. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and tricks. David Durang. No Frontier, catch you